Hey guys, so in today's episode, we are going to be heading into the mountains and we are going to go leaf peeping, aka looking at all the leaves that have changed colors. And we are in Colorado and it is my absolute favorite time of the year. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite season, because fall is 100% my favorite and I cannot wait. We are Emma and Jack Lindsay. Together with our daughter, we love to travel and experience different places. How we get there and what we do is always different. Life is too short, so get out and live a little. It's a little cloudy today, so I'm hoping that it's still nice and not pouring rain when we go up there. We're not going to go on any hikes or anything. There are some hikes up there, but we just kind of wanted to drive and explore and not take too much time. So let's go and let's go live a little. Come on. We're going to be heading to Kenosha Pass, which is in the mountains, and I'm excited. Jack, not as much, but I'm sure he'll still have fun. Let's go. Apparently everybody else had the same idea as we did. So not only did we get to go look at the amazing leaves, we also got to go off-roading. And Jack's car got a little bit muddy. It definitely looked worse when it was wet.
Puddles. Oh, this is gonna be a fun one.
This is so fun. So much fun. Oh yeah. Oh, we're taking the green Jeep off-roading with the fall leaves. How fun. Are you happy we did this now?
Yeah, now I just gotta get the Jeep dirty.
There are some paths and stuff that you can take, but we didn't really dress too appropriately, and Poppy's hiking thingamabob backpack thing is in the camper, so we just thought we'd just take a little nice drive. And it's also like 40 degrees outside, so yeah, it's still gorgeous. I definitely put the GoPro to good use. absolutely beautiful. So much fun. I love the fall in Colorado. It is one of my absolute favorite times.
That was fun.
That was fun.
Did Poppy have fun?
Are you happy we went? You're
Yes.
happy we went because you hate going to see the leaves changing and
I
stuff?
don't hate it.
You were super grumpy.
I just think that you can look at pictures.
But did you have fun?
Yes, because
Was
I
it-
went off-roading.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Did you have fun back there? Yeah, that was a lot of fun. You loved the off-roading? Yeah.
Yeah.
Till next time, get out and live, little guys. Bye.